Do not earn money in 2024 if you don't know where to invest it. Yes, you heard it right, because all your wealth can ultimately be wasted if you do not invest it properly. In this video, you will learn how to make your money work for you. Investing is the key to building wealth, securing your financial future, and achieving the dreams you've always had. But with so many options, where should you invest your money? Let's break it down. Step 1. The first thing you need to consider is your financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for the long term or short term? Are you willing to take risks for potentially higher returns, or do you prefer safer investments with steady growth? Step 2. Clarify your goals. Are you saving for retirement, buying a house, or building an emergency fund? Your goals will determine the types of investments that are right for you. Once you've got your goals in place, it's time to explore your options. Step 3. The stock market. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a piece of a company's future. The stock market has historically offered high returns, but it also comes with higher risk. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of individual stocks, index funds, and ETFs to spread out your risk while taking advantage of market growth. Step 4. Real estate. Real estate is a tangible asset that can provide both income and capital appreciation. Whether you're buying rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, real estate can offer steady cash flow and long-term value. Plus, it's a great hedge against inflation. Step 5. Look for a more hands-off approach, such as mutual funds and bonds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This diversification reduces risk while allowing you to benefit from the growth of the market. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans you give to a company or government. They offer lower returns but are generally safer, providing steady income with lower risk. Step 6. Focus on alternative investments like gold and cryptocurrency. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Gold has been a store of value for centuries, offering stability during times of economic uncertainty. Cryptocurrency, while more volatile, represents the future of digital finance. Investing a small portion of your portfolio in these alternatives can add diversity and potential for significant returns. Remember, investing isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. It's about creating a strategy that fits your unique goals and risk tolerance. Whether you choose stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or alternative investments, the key is to start today. The sooner you invest, the more time your money has to grow. Your financial future is in your hands. Where you choose to invest your money today will determine the opportunities you have tomorrow. So, take control, make informed decisions, and watch your wealth grow. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's invest in our futures together.